Hello everyone, my name is Michael Lee, Solutions Engineer at DJI, and today we're going to walk you through how to use the Media File Library in DJI FlyHub 2, your central workspace for managing photos, videos, and media. From uploading files to organizing and analyzing them, this tool gives you everything you need to turn raw data into actionable insights. We're going to start by navigating to our Media File Library. Here you'll see a timeline of all your different captured media and folders organized by flight date or even project. If your drone is connected through DJI Pilot 2 or if you're operating a DJI dock, media can be automatically uploaded here after each mission. You'll notice that each flight route also gets its own folder, so this can be especially useful for keeping automated dock missions neatly organized. If you're uploading media manually, just click the import button and select any files from your local device. Supported formats, as you can see here, include JPEG, PNG, MP4, and PPK files. Once uploaded, your files can safely be stored in the cloud and accessible by your team. So we're going to select a particular folder. Now that all your media has been uploaded, let's look at how we can organize and tag it. You also have the ability to create a folder for different projects or sites to keep things clean and organized. You can also click on any particular photo and you can add tags. So for example, if we wanted to tag this one with an alert, we can add tags. So this one would have transmission and alert tag. Some examples could also be such as progress check or inspection. This makes filtering and searching your library extremely fast and easy. So also any annotations that were made in flight, such as pinpoints, can be displayed and removed in here. This particular photo did not have any. If you want to share your media too, that is very easy. You have the ability to click a share and turn on media file sharing. And whether you want to do an entire folder or a single file, you click the share icon and you can select a validity period, password, and you can share that via QR code or URL. You can also add a password too. Finally, let's look at how media connects to your map view. So in your media files, we're going to select a photo and we're going to select overlay on map. So now we're going to exit out of here. We're going to close out. And we're going to switch to our map photos tab. And you can see all photos that are overlaid on the map. So for this one, we can recenter and we can see any particular photo on top of the map. If a panorama is captured, you also have the ability for it to appear and you can launch a full 360-degree view directly from the map. So this can be especially useful for getting fast an overview of an area either before a mission or during a post-flight review. Now we're going to go back into our media files and we're going to select a photo. So for repeated waypoint missions from docks with the fixed photo angle, you can use the compare tool in the media file to manually visualize and compare different changes between two photos. So once I click the compare, we could see two photos. The original photo will show on the left, and on the right is the recommended last photo captured in the same format for comparison. You also have the ability to lock. So when locked, when you zoom in, you'll have a lock synchronization. And also you can use the markup icon to add any notes. So now going into change detection, another comparison option is AI change detection. So I'll show you where AI change detection is. In your media file, you will click detect changes. To do this, you select detect changes in the media files. You create a new task. So you would select a new task. You would name the task. Then you would click select objects. From here, you can select your route. So waypoint route first, then media files are generated by the waypoint route. And then you could filter objects. For example, if vehicles are selected, let's go ahead and click a route real quick. So we would select our route, and then from here you could filter objects such as vehicles, and then you could also have minimum change detection range. This region will not be considered a change if the ratio of the change pixels to total photo pixels fall below the threshold, and from there you can start detection. So we're going to use one that's already completed, but once you start a detection, it will start the process and it will take a few minutes. So this will be an end result right here. You can see different photos doing change detection for you. A new intelligent search feature we have is the AI that allows you to filter your photos for a specific object using AI. So for an example, we're searching for a yellow excavator. We have the ability to search for a yellow excavator through our media, and it will search through the entire library to find images that match your search criteria. Thank you so much for watching FlightHub 2 Deep Dive Media Library.